Hello everyone. In this video, I will perform a hanging bracket structural analysis by using a FA software. So in FA software, I have used a ANSYS software. So let's start. There is a hanging bracket. Okay. So in a hanging bracket, there is a top side is this surface is a fix, and this L shape bottom side is a apply total pressure is 100 psi. Then this material is a alloy steel. So this alloy steel is a value in a gigapascal is a 200 gigapascal. So I have to convert here 29 into 10 raised to 6 psi. Then Poisson's ratio is a 0.27. So calculate what is the maximum deflection and what is the stress value. So let's start. Open ANSYS software. Then go to file menu. I have to import this file in a parasolid format. So go to your directory and choose your file. Okay. So this is a hanging bracket. Now go to plot control and go to style. Go to solid model facet, and this wireframe model into normal faceting. Click on OK and go to plot and replot. So this is a solid geometry. So this is a structural type. I have to calculate a deflection and stresses value. So select structural, click on OK, and here element type I have to add element as a solid brick 8 node 185. You can choose also 20 node. So 20 node is a maximum accuracy, so you can choose a 20 node. Okay, so I have to choose a brick 8 node. Click on OK, click on close, apply a material property. So material property, in that this is a linear, so all value in a psi. So here is a value is a 29 e raised to 6. 0.27 is a Poisson's ratio. Then click on OK. Material is exit. Then go to meshing. There is no need to modeling because already I have to draw a model into the another software. So just you have to import. So click on meshing. Go to size control, manual size, global, and here value is a 0.25. Then go to mesh, volume, free volume, select pick all, close this pop-up window. Okay, after meshing, go to plot, replot, and volume. Now apply boundary conditions. So go to load, define load, structural, displacement on area. This surface is a fix now. Click on OK. All degree of freedom is a 0. Then apply a pressure 100 psi. So pressure on area. This surface. Okay. And how much? 100. So go to solve and current load step. Execution is yes. Wait and solutions are done. Close this pop-up window. Now go to general post processing. Go to result summary. So here is a time frequency and load step is 1. Then go to plot result, deform shape, deform and deform shape. You can choose a deform shape only, whatever you want. Okay, so this is a first. Then second image, go to contour plot, node solution, degree of freedom solution, displacement vector sum. Click on OK. Okay, so this is a displacement value. So what is the displacement value? Maximum displacement is a 0.0030 inch. So now go to solution, stress, one misses stress, and show here. So this is a stress value. Maximum stress value is a 32,733. Similarly, this value you can this image you can see in animation. So go to deform result. Okay, this is a deform shape. We can choose also here. Go to control plot control, and again animate only deform shape. So this one also is a animation. Next one is a this is the only graphical views. So you can go to list result and go to nodal solution, degree of freedom solution, displacement vector sum, click on OK. So you can see here this is all nothing the tabulated value for this displacement vector. Okay. Similarly, go to element solution. You can calculate stress value, one misses stress 3, and this is number of stress. Okay. If you want this value or this image, you can capture now. Go to image capture here. Otherwise, you can go to report generator, and this value you can also save by capturing the image and by capturing the animation. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.